How to return an item on Shein. This tutorial shows you how to submit a return request through the app on Android. First, open the Shein app on your Android device and make sure you're logged in. From there, tap on Me at the bottom right corner of the screen. After that, you'll see My Orders right below your profile with several status tabs: Unpaid, Processing, Shipped, Review, and Returns. At this point, find the order you want to return. You can either tap directly on the relevant status tab or tap View All to see every order you've placed. From there, tap on the specific order you want to return. Following this, look through the options available on that order page and tap on Return. At this stage, you'll be asked to select a reason for the return. Go ahead and choose whichever option best describes your situation. Once done, follow the remaining on-screen steps to complete your return request. Finally, after submitting, you can track the status of your return anytime by heading back to the Returns tab under My Orders. Keep in mind that the return option is typically available for orders that haven't been fully shipped yet, so the sooner you request it, the better. That's how you return an item on Shein. If this helped, drop a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell so you never miss an upload. See you then.